Hi friends, this is Skylar's mom. My name is Mrs. Harmon. I thought I'd share some fun things with you today. The birds in the painting you see on the screen are called blue jays. The artist who created this painting is called John James Audubon. He was a famous painter and an ornithologist. You know, a scientist who studies birds. Can you guess which animal he loved to paint the most? It's birds. Now you might be wondering how I knew those facts. Well, there are lots of places we can look for information when we are learning about a subject like birds and ornithology, the study of birds. It's important when we search for information that we go to places that are safe and reliable. Reliable means you can trust the information is correct. So I thought it would be fun to help my bird scientist friends find safe and reliable information for your bird studies. I created a special tool just for your class called a Wakelet, and I'm going to show you how it works. If you go to your main classroom page, it should look familiar to you. The very first post is from Skylar, and you can see her picture right here. And the word says birds. If you click on this link, it's going to take you to the Wakelet, and you know you're in the right place if you see the big eagle. All right, let's scroll down. Here's all the information that you can explore on birds. There are videos, and this option right here is your Center for Inquiry library site from Mrs. Watson. You can get to Pebble Go from this one. And then this page, and this page are from encyclopedias. Let me show you really quick. If you click on the picture that you're interested in, it takes you to the information. Look for this triangle right here, and if you click on it, it will read you the information on the page. This upside down triangle, or triangle pointing downwards, will give you even more information. And over here on the side, these triangles will play videos for you. Okay, let's go back to the main page. This option right here is from Epic. There are lots and lots of bird books and videos from Epic when you click on this option. And even further down, there are live bird cams where you can observe the birds. There's lots and lots of different types. Let's pick one so I can show you. Let's try this one. There's the baby eagle. It's called an eaglet. Okay, now there's a way to get back to the main page from here. And you want to go all the way to the top and click on this arrow right here. And it'll take you back to the main page. Now if we click on a different option, here are the penguins at the zoo. You can also move back and forth through the live bird cams with these triangles on the sides. Right here. So let's click on one of these and I'll show you. So we went from penguins to the Panama fruit feeder cam. And then if we click again, it'll take us to the next cam. This is an owl in an eagle nest. He stole the eagle's nest. Okay. Let's go back to the main page. Do you remember how? We have to go all the way up to the top corner and click on the arrow. If we scroll down to the bottom, there's some more fun live cams where you can watch birds, and there's some other fun places to explore bird information, like this video on how to help a bird, and there's a book called An Alphabet of Birds, and there's 2 TV episodes. This one is from Reading Rainbow, and it's called The Runaway Duck Egbert. And this one is from the Wild Krat Brothers. It's called Wild Krat's Feathered Friends. So there's lots of information you can explore about birds on this page. And for my friends who are at home, if you're using your Chromebook and the live bird cams aren't working, you can use the same link from the main class page on a different computer, and they should work for you. Sometimes the Chromebooks are a little fussy, but Mrs. Watson is working on that for us. All right, my bird scientists, I hope you enjoy all this information. I sure had a lot of fun putting it together for you. Have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.